Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to select multiple objects in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that will save you tons of time when working with complex designs, allowing you to move, resize, or modify several elements at once instead of handling them individually. Whether you're designing logos, illustrations, social media graphics, or UI layouts, knowing how to select multiple objects efficiently can significantly speed up your workflow. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you can either open an existing file or create a new one to work with. This gives you the workspace where you'll be practicing your selection techniques. If you're following along, try opening a document that contains several shapes, images, or text objects so you can easily see how the selection process works. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find your main tools. Click on the Move tool, which is typically one of the first icons at the top of the toolbar. This tool is essential for selecting and manipulating objects on your canvas. It's one of the most frequently used tools in Affinity Designer, so becoming familiar with it will improve your overall editing efficiency. Once you've activated the Move tool, you're ready to start selecting multiple objects. Here's where the magic happens. Position your cursor near the objects you want to select, then click and drag to create a marquee box around them. Think of this like drawing an invisible rectangle that captures everything inside it. As you drag, you'll see a selection box appear on your canvas. Make sure this box encompasses all the objects you want to work with. If an object falls outside the selection box, it won't be included, so take a moment to ensure everything you need is inside the marquee. When you're satisfied with your selection area, release your mouse button. All the objects that were enclosed within that marquee box will now be selected simultaneously. This makes it much easier to work with multiple elements at once, instead of selecting each object individually. To confirm that your selection worked, shift your attention to the right panel. Here, you'll see all the layers you just selected highlighted in the Layers panel. This visual confirmation is really helpful because it shows you exactly which elements are now active and ready to be modified. It's also a great way to verify that you haven't accidentally selected any extra objects. You can now move these objects together, apply effects to them as a group, or make any other adjustments you need. For example, you can resize multiple objects while maintaining their relative positions, align them together, duplicate them as a group, or organize them more efficiently within your design. And that's it. You've successfully selected multiple objects in Affinity Designer using the marquee selection method. This technique is incredibly useful when organizing your designs or making bulk changes to your artwork. Once you get comfortable using marquee selection, you'll find that many everyday editing tasks become much faster and easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.